Very good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all being safe. Okay, eat healthy food. Be safe. Okay, children. Today we are going to see about a new topic, good habits. Okay, children. Okay, children. How do you feel when somebody says you are all good students? Very happy, no? Isn't it? You all have to behave in such a way that nobody feels unhappy. You begin your learning at home. Your parents and elders and some others set an example of good manners. Good behavior gives you happiness by making others happy. Okay, what is good behavior? Let us learn now. Okay, children. Add please to your request. Suppose you are eating. Suddenly you get hiccups and you want water. What do you do? You should not order. Okay, children. You should politely request for water. Give give me some water, please. That like you have to say. Okay. When somebody helps us or gives us something, what do you say? We say thank you. Even those who are younger to us, or to servants, postman, and others, you must say thank you. Okay, children? As to be excused when interpreting others. Excuse me, sir. Imagine your parents are seriously discussing something. You want to tell something. What will we do? You should say, excuse me, please. And when their attention is on you, you say whatever you have to say. Okay, children? Greet your teachers, elders with a good morning. We want every day from morning till night to be good. We wish everything turns out fine so that we have a happy day. We believe that this hope will become real. If we start the day by wishing others the same, so it is only good manner. Okay, children? Next, you have to observe discipline in the class. Discipline means what, students? Very good. Following certain rules and regulations so that the class function smoothly going on. You should not talk while the teacher is teaching the class. Okay, children? We feel sorry for anything error from you. Okay, have to say sorry. Young or old, education or uneducated, we all having mistake. So we should say sorry to them. Welcome your guest with a smile. Ha, what a surprise. A guest is a person who we should respect. The best way is to smile, which is a symbol of friendship and happiness. Smile is an one kind of asset. Okay, children? Children, did you welcome with smiley face? Very good. Next, read silently in library. Anybody interested in reading can go to library. You have to keep the silence or talk very softly while in the library. Okay, children? Children, if you are eating no, that time you have to chew your food with your closed mouth and don't make munching sound. Have you seen some people are eating with a lot of noise like chewing without sound? Isn't it, children? They lack of good manners. So keep the mouth closed, chew and swallow. Stand in a queue in a public places. Okay, children? In a crowd, everybody pushing and pulling, and they get confused also, isn't it? Old people might fall and children may be hurt. So you have to maintain the stand in queue. Okay, children? Use your kerchief while sneezing, coughing, and yawning. When one sneeze or cough, thousands of diseases and germs are released in the air. So avoid this. You have to cover your mouth with a kerchief or tissue paper. Okay, children? And you have to keep the classroom clean. If you find your classroom dirty with waste papers all over, what should you do? Don't wait for somebody else to clean the room. You pick all the papers, etc., from the floor and put them in the waste paper basket. Okay, children? Don't bite your nails. Okay? Germs and bacteria find nails to be safe place to hide. These bacteria and germs will jump into your mouth and enter your body. So, don't bite your nails. Okay, children? Wash your hands before and after using toilet. If after using toilet you wash your hands without soap, you will be carrying the germs on your hands. With such hands, when you eat or drink water, the germs and bacteria enter your body and fall sick. Therefore, to be healthy, always wash hands with soap before and after using toilet. When you are going to bed, you have to wish your elders say good night. Okay, children? They are feeling happy and filled with the love. So you have to say good night. Okay, children? Children, one proverb having early birds catches the worm, or early to bed, early to rise, makes us healthy and wealthy. Every day we will have to follow certain rules and regulations at home. We have to keep our body clean by taking bath every day. Okay, children? We have to eat healthy food from diseases. From the time we get up from bed in the morning till we go back to bed at night, we have to observe some certain rules and regulations at home, in school, in the places we visit. Okay, children? Get up early in the morning. Early morning is the time when the air is fresh and unpolluted. Moreover, the mind being fresh in the morning. Brush your teeth early in the morning and before going to bed. Children, you have to take bath regularly. Okay, children? Dust and dirt from the air around us. When you take bath, the dirt is washed away, leaving your skin fresh and healthy. Isn't it, children? You feel fresh after a bath. Did you feel, children? Okay. After taking bath, what do you do, children? Very good. You have to pray our God and seek His guidance for the day. Okay, children? God for us is our sources of love. The whole family should pray at least once in a day for a few minutes. Okay, children? You have to dress up neatly. Neatness does not mean one has to be rich or wear costly dresses. Okay, children. Even if you have two dresses only, you have to wash them and wear them neatly. Okay, children. Children, in your everyday life, you handle so many things, isn't it? Like knife, pins, needle, iron box, etc. Isn't it, children? How you handle? To be careful with all the things. Okay, children? Don't cut yourself because your carelessness leads to cuts and wounds and pain. Okay, children? Don't get into river or sea water without knowing swimming. Okay, children? Have you seen the warning board? Some places saying don't venture into water. We have lost many youngsters who had rushed into the water in spite of the warning. You know swimming, you can swim. Allowed to swimming. That like they wrote. Isn't it, children? Don't handle electrical connections. When your hands are wet, the electricity easily passed. Don't take risk in your life for the sake of the height. A height is something to be admired. Don't run after kites ignoring safety. Okay, children? Avoid fighting as it causes injury. There are many ways to solve a problem, but fighting never solves any problem. It leads to more fighting, more violence, and more injury. Sit together and try to get a solution. Okay, children? Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Okay, children? Obey the traffic rules and go safety. Never throw banana peel on the road. There are two things involved in throwing a banana peel on the road. You are polluting the environment and somebody might slip and fall. Don't cross a unmanned railway track. Okay, children? Almost every day we read that somebody has died while crossing the railway track. You may feel with the width of the railway track and can be easily crossed. Okay, children? But you can't assess the speed of the train. Wait for some time. The train will pass and you can cross the railway track. A few minutes can save our life. Students, don't walk on puddles of water. During rainy season, puddles of water are very tempting for children, isn't it? Children would love to jump into it and splash the water, but this could be dangerous. The puddles contain diseases carrying germs. Light a cracker in the house because sometimes lighted crackers can burn wooden or plastic things. Don't leave the wounds open. Open wood invites diseases and germs. So wounds leads to serious problem like surgery. It is best to keep the wounds clean and closed. Reduce wood fire. Use water and sand or mud. It is easier to put out wood fire with sand or mud than water because water is not always available and sand or mud is handy. Okay, children. I hope all are understood. Isn't it, children? I know you are all good children. But you know why? Because you have a good habits and good manner. I am sure you are already know it, but we have to revise the good habits and you have to follow it. Okay, children? Be safe, children. Don't go outside, don't play outside. You have to sit in the home and you have to play. Okay, and you have to write the homework also. Okay, children, and eat vegetables, fruits, and drink more water. Okay, students. Shall I give one activity, children? You have to do any one good manners and send it to the video to your class teacher. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Have a nice day.